Pag napansin na wala si Jesus, ay hanapin. And for me, that's the message of the gospel for today. Kaya kung naramdaman mo na sa buhay mo hindi naman nawala ang Panginoon, you have permission to have siesta. Tulong muna kayo. Tulong muna kayo. Pero, kung nararamdaman mo na somehow sa buhay ko, nawala ang Panginoon sa buhay ko. Yes, I'm a Catholic. I'm still here. I still come to Mass. But pag sineryoso ko ang sarili, parang marami ang nawala. There is something in my relationship sa Panginoon na hindi ko feel na andyan. Well, maybe this gospel is for you. You're supposed to have a happy life. The Lord wants and He will help you to have a happy, peaceful, magaan na buhay. Kung hindi, hanapin. Don't accept it as a reality. Nawala sa aming mag-asawang Panginoon, pues hanapin. Don't prepare a despedida party. Keep looking. Very simple, pero malalim kung nawalang ka. Kung hindi ka nawalang, wala lang, parang walang kabuluhan. But if you experience that your life is running empty tank, walang lakas, walang sigla, walang galak, walang kapayapaan, your marriage is falling apart, maybe for you, this is meaningful.